Weixiaoyu. This video is about our report visual analytics. Uh, First, I will introduce network analysis and network visualization. Network analysis is a general term of graph theory analysis, optimization analysis, and dynamic analysis of networks. Network analysis is to detect, analyze, and diagnose all transmitted data in the network, help users eliminate network accidents, avoid security risks, improve network performance, and increase network availability. Network visualization technology as a kind of important information visualization technology make full use of human visual perception system. The network data graphically displayed, fast visual interpretation, and an overview of network data on the one hand can help users to know the internal structure of the network. On the other hand, helps uncover hidden valuable information within the network. The reason for why tools are needed. First is network analysis. Network analysis, in order to analyze the cause of network fault, a kind of professional network analysis software is produced. Network analysis software ACTS as a network program for the repair tool. Developers use it to find bugs in the development of the protocol. Many people use it to listen to network data, but also allows tools to check security software. And the second is network visualization, to keep up with ongoing network changes. As the complexity of the environment increases, it becomes more difficult to identify the root cause of new problems. Smart maps aggregate and visualize this data in a more intuitive way without user intervention. And then the next part is about our tools.
Hello, I'm Jiang Zhenzhen and I will introduce tools. In this part, we have 8 tools and I will introduce the Network X and Snip and Graphic Frame and Captcha Free, and the last 4 tools my partner will introduce it. The first one is about Network X. Network X is about to quickly find all the information related to the network, including internal and external IP, ISP, and network name, also MAC and DNS address. Network X can store networks in both standard and non-standard data formats, generate multiple random and classical networks, analyze the network structures, building network models, and design new network algorithms and network redundancy. The strength of Network X is about easy and also complete to understand device network interface. In this tab, you can find statistics about other addresses or data usage. The weakness of Network X is that due to the large scale of some networks and the continuous development of complex network theory, some features cannot be realized and the required calculation results cannot be obtained when dealing with and analyzing complex network functions. The effects are affected. Second one is about Snip. Allow users to properly align application footprints on the screen while using the app, which is more convenient for users who use tablets. A more friendly improvement is that the system can recognize the adjusted size. When you manually add a window must be split model, the second window will automatically fill the remaining space. The strength of it is that users can drag and drop windows to achieve a variety of shapes and sizes, including maximization, semi-scrolling, and recovery. So it can help to save a lot of time for users. The weakness of it is that the ratio is fixed, manually adjusting the size ratio between windows, but lacking flexibility. The third one is frame. It is built on top of data frame, leveraging the extensibility and power of data frame while providing a unified graphics processing API for Scala, Java, and Python. So the strength of it providing a unified interface for Python, Java, and Scala. The powerful query function allows users to build queries similar to Spark SQL in data frame. The graphic frames and data frame data sources are fully compatible, supporting the storage or reading of graphics in PyQuit, JSON, and CSV formats. The weakness is that it needs to be used with other software and hardware, so the data source needs to be compatible. Once there is a deviation, it cannot be read completely. The last one is captcha-free network analysis tool for monitoring, troubleshooting, and analysis can identify and monitor more than 300 different protocols. Users can log network profiles, create customer reports, and set customer alert trigger conditions. So the strengths of it are real-time monitoring of network transmission data, detecting each computer's internet access, mail sending and receiving, network logging, and network traffic. Comprehensive understanding of the dynamic information of the entire network. With powerful packet decoding analysis function, it can diagnose network errors and detect security risks. So it can help provide a comprehensive clear wheel monitoring. But the weakness of captcha-free is that once the data is too large, it is very likely that an error will occur, causing the entire network to crash. Now let my partner introduce the last four tools.
The next is Tableau. Tableau is a data visualization tool designed to help people view and understand their own data. It can migrate and develop reports based on users' business needs to help analysis perform online analytical processing, instant query functions, and quickly create interactive, beautiful, and intelligent views and dashboards. Quickly create various types of chart as well. Tableau also has powerful statistical analysis extensions functions that are compatible with popular enterprise data sources. And the next is Business Data Platform (BDP) is a cloud server that uploads data and charts required for daily office work, then professionally integrates and analyzes them, and finally outputs visual data or charts. And the third is Data V, is a tied big data visualization application developed by Alibaba Cloud that focuses on the coverages of business data and geographic information. It supports the conversation of a single number of 7 data sources, such as RDS for MySQL, AnalyticDB, CSV, and API into a variety of dynamic visualization charts to help non-professional users easily build professional level visualization applications through a graphical interface. It meets the display needs of various services such as user conference display, business monitoring, risk warning, and geographically information analysis. And the last one is Power BI. It's a visualization application for Microsoft that integrates Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power Map. Since the number analysis can be obtained from ERP, Excel, or other data sources, including structure, trend, comparison factors, TOPN, and other analysis methods. Users can generate useful information according to actual needs and intuitive analysis reports. And the next is about the part 3 data description will be introduced by my partner.
Zhenzhen, and I will introduce dataset information. The dataset we use consists of a list of friends in Facebook. Users who use Facebook are the objects that collect data. The feature vectors for this dataset include nodes, edges, circles, and ego networks. The network analysis process is as follows. First, we import network X as NX, and then line 6 and line 7 we create a network and read edges from dataset. And line 11 we print network information. The number of nodes is 4039. The numbers of edges is 88,234. The average degree is 43.6910. And the line 14 to 19, we draw a network overview. The picture showing as this place. In the 22 and the line 22 and 30, we partition network. The picture is as this place.
In this part, I using Network X to calculate page rank. Firstly, I input the dataset that I download from Stanford website. This dataset mainly analyzes the credibility of Bacon user and mainly include the characteristic of node, edges, range of 8 weight, percentage of positive edges. In this line, I set the probability as 0.85. In line 22 to 25, I print the dataset with node, and then I generate the page rank dataset using this code. In line 34 to 37, I print the dataset with label, the result showing here. Obviously, the results are not clear since there are too many information. So I select 50 edges and draw the network overviews. In the previous part, my partner Zhenzhen drew the node-directed wedge graph. And in my part, I draw the directed wedge graph. The results are more clear compared with previous one. That's all.
Hello everyone, I'm Yujiajun. This part I use Gephi to visual the dataset. Firstly, I choose the directed static dataset that we use in Network X. I choose the directed type of graph, and then obviously we can see there are 74 nodes and 121 edges. We can modularity. We can run the modularity. We can see the modularity is 0.482, and there are 6 communities. And then we can choose the layout type force atlas. We can run it, and then we need to change the repartition strength to 3000. We can run the average path range. We can see there are 6 diameter, and the average path length is 2.98. We can ranking the nodes by color. We choose degrees and choose this color and apply it. And also we can partition it, and we click the partition. We click the modularity class and apply it. And also we can choose the size. We ranking the nodes by size. We choose the degrees. We set the minimal size is 10. The maximal size of nodes is 13, and apply it. We can see the graph of nodes has some change. And also we can show the labels. Maybe we need to change the size of labels. We choose the 16, and also we can click the attraction distribution. We run it. Maybe there are more clear, and we can run the average wedge degree. The average wedge degree is 2.027. The average degree is 1.635. The density is 0.022. We can preview the dataset. We show the labels and refresh it. Okay, in this part we can see the dataset that we use the GAFI to visual it. The result showing here, and my part is finished. Thank you.